Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now I just wanted to show you my centerpiece here. Let's take a closer look. So these flowers, these roses here, they did come from the Dollar Tree's Plus section. Absolutely gorgeous. They were from Valentine's Day, if you can see. And I thought that would be nice on this end of the table here because we're going to be using red. Now the candle holder here was a thrifted item, and then of course the candle itself came from the Dollar Tree. That's all of them. These are Dollar Tree candle holders, and this beautiful three set of candle holders. This was thrifted from the Goodwill. And then these votives, the votive holders and the candles, they came from the Dollar Tree, okay? And then this was a thrifted item. Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely beautiful, guys. Let me see what that is. I'll clean that off in a minute. And then we have this piece here, which was also a thrifted item. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I thought I'd place this on the table. And so this was part of the centerpiece here today, along with this floral arrangement. So the vase, the candle holder, and this vase came from Dollar General. And then the florals were thrifted. The greenery was thrifted. All I did was place some white roses and some Queen Anne's lace from the Dollar Tree in here. Okay, so I think that looks absolutely beautiful. And then all I did here was just place, these are the fur scarves that the Dollar Tree has. I absolutely love decorating with them. This is more of the Queen Anne's lace. And then I went ahead and I did a rose napkin and just kind of placed it right there. And of course these gold scarves that are runners for the end of the table, those were gifted. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's get started with the tablescape. So in this video today, we're going to be decorating a table for two with a touch of red. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now always remember, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Okay, so I'm going to play a little bit of music as I decorate this tablescape for you, and I'll see you at the end. Now always remember to click the like button and full watch a video because this helps us to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Now, when you have a moment, head on over to the community tab because there you will see the calendar of collaborations for the month. All of the collaborations are all open invitations for every one of you to enjoy. Now the candles are lit and we're getting ready to head on over to the reveal. So I think this place setting came out absolutely gorgeous and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and God bless you.